Welcome back to Turboride USA. This ultra-realistic studio photograph presents a Suzuki MotoGP racing motorcycle as a pure expression of speed, precision, and engineering philosophy. Captured in a perfect side profile, facing right and mounted on a rear podic stand, the motorcycle appears calm and motionless, yet it radiates the tension and energy of a machine built for extreme competition. Every element visible in this image exists for one reason only: to win on the world's most demanding racing circuits. The blue, white, and silver factory racing livery immediately establishes Suzuki's unmistakable identity. These colors are not decorative choices, but symbols of decades of racing heritage. The bold SUZOKI typography stretched across the fairings and tail section dominates the visual language of the motorcycle, reinforcing brand confidence and factory authority. The official Suzuki Ecstar 100th anniversary race graphics elevate the design further, celebrating a century of mechanical innovation and motorsport achievement. The overall shape of the motorcycle is razor-sharp and intensely aerodynamic. From the pointed nose to the compact tail section, every line has been sculpted to manage airflow with surgical precision. The fairings wrap tightly around the engine and frame, minimizing drag while maximizing stability at extreme speeds. The bodywork flows seamlessly, creating a continuous aerodynamic surface that cuts through the air like a blade. Carbon fiber winglets mounted on the front fairing represent modern MotoGP technology at its peak. These sharp aerodynamic elements generate downforce under acceleration and braking, keeping the front tire planted to the track. Their angular design adds visual aggression while serving a critical performance function. Nothing on this motorcycle is ornamental. Every detail has a measurable purpose. The transparent racing windscreen allows a clear view of the cockpit area, accented by yellow racing number highlights that inject contrast and race day intensity. This windscreen is shaped to deflect airflow smoothly over the rider's helmet at high speed, reducing fatigue and drag. Behind it lies the focused control zone, where rider and machine become one. Exposed race-spec front suspension components reveal the mechanical honesty of this MotoGP prototype. Unlike production motorcycles that hide their complexity, this machine proudly displays its advanced hardware. The gold brake calipers stand out against the blue and silver bodywork, signaling elite stopping power and precision braking control. The slick racing tires marked with yellow rim stripes underline the motorcycle's uncompromising track focus. With no tread patterns, these tires are engineered purely for maximum grip on dry racing surfaces. The wheel design complements the bike's aggressive stance, emphasizing speed even while stationary. At the rear, the dual underseat titanium exhaust pipes complete the motorcycle's balanced profile. Their placement centralizes mass while contributing to heat management and aerodynamic efficiency. Titanium construction reduces weight and enhances durability under extreme temperatures. MotoGP sponsor decals including Ecstar, Michelin, Motul, and GSX-R branding cover the body panels, reinforcing the motorcycle's professional racing status. Visible frame elements and race electronics hint at the advanced technology hidden beneath the surface. In this studio setting, the Suzuki MotoGP bike appears less like a vehicle and more like a precision instrument engineered for domination. At the heart of this Suzuki MotoGP racing motorcycle lies a prototype racing engine developed exclusively for world-class competition. This power unit is not derived from production motorcycles, but engineered from the ground up to deliver maximum performance within MotoGP regulations. Every internal component is designed to withstand extreme stress while delivering explosive power across a wide RPM range. The engine's architecture emphasizes high rotational speed, rapid throttle response, and seamless power delivery. Lightweight internal components allow the engine to rev aggressively, producing immense horsepower while maintaining reliability over race distances. Advanced fuel injection systems precisely meter fuel flow, ensuring optimal combustion under all riding conditions. Electronic management systems play a crucial role in controlling this power. The visible race electronics integrated into the chassis include sophisticated traction control, wheelie control, engine braking management, and launch control systems. These technologies constantly analyze data in real time, allowing the rider to push the motorcycle to its absolute limits while maintaining control. The aluminum race frame provides the structural backbone of the motorcycle. Its design balances rigidity and controlled flex, enabling high-speed stability while allowing responsive cornering feedback. The frame works in harmony with the swing arm, which is engineered to maximize rear tire grip during acceleration and corner exits. Suspension systems on this MotoGP machine are fully adjustable and race-tuned. Engineers fine-tune compression, rebound, and preload settings based on track conditions, tire behavior, and rider preference. This adaptability allows the motorcycle to perform consistently across different circuits and weather conditions. The braking system represents the pinnacle of racing technology. Large-diameter carbon brake discs paired with high-performance gold calipers provide extraordinary stopping power. These brakes operate effectively at extreme temperatures, allowing riders to brake later and harder than ever before. Precise braking control is essential for gaining time in competitive MotoGP racing. In terms of speed, this Suzuki MotoGP motorcycle reaches breathtaking velocities. Acceleration is instantaneous, driven by a perfect balance of power, traction, and aerodynamics. Top speeds exceed what is possible on public roads, making this machine exclusively suited for professional racing circuits. Aerodynamic efficiency plays a vital role in maintaining stability at such speeds. The winglets, fairings, and tail section work together to manage airflow, reducing lift and increasing downforce. This ensures the motorcycle remains stable during hard braking, rapid direction changes, and full throttle acceleration. Facilities integrated into the bike include advanced data logging systems that record every aspect of performance. Engineers analyze this data after each session to refine setup and improve lap times. Quick shifter technology enables seamless gear changes without closing the throttle, maintaining uninterrupted acceleration. The dual underseat titanium exhaust system enhances engine breathing while producing a distinctive race-bred sound. This note is not merely loud, but precise, reflecting the finely tuned nature of the engine. Ultimately, this Suzuki MotoGP GSX-R Ecstar 100th Anniversary racing motorcycle is more than a competition machine. It is a technological statement, a symbol of Suzuki's racing heritage, and a showcase of what is possible when engineering excellence meets uncompromising ambition. On the track, it exists for one purpose alone: absolute performance. Please like and subscribe for more real videos.